Beer Champ Barbecuers, today we're cooking up beef ribs. Oh, a nice plate of beef dino ribs using Cosmos Q. Watch this. So on the Weber 26 with a slow hands basket, and I use this air gap diffuser. Oh, this thing works awesome. And I'm using Cosmos Q. So on the back side, I'm slapping down some of that Texas beef and that cow cover. And then on the opposite side, the same, the meat side, but I'm gonna add in some of that dirty bird. Oh, hell yeah. Check this out. So these beef back ribs, I'm cooking at about 275 to 300, floating around there, and I'm spritzing with water after the first hour and a half or so. And then I'm gonna wrap them in aluminum foil. And I'm gonna wrap them nice with just a spritz of water there, put them back on, and then I'm gonna pull them off when they're looking dynamite. These beef back ribs have some great pullback. They look amazing. They smell delicious. And once I cut into these guys, whoa, I was not expecting that. I thought this was going to be those not so meaty beef ribs, but these came out freaking spectacular. Check this out. Oh, hell yeah. Beef ribs? Look at these suckers. Damn, folks. That's amazing. Greg's basket kicks ass. Oh, hell yeah. This is definitely the best beef rib I've ever made. They're amazing. They did not even look meaty. I thought I was just going to get some back ribs. These are rocking. Man, Cosmos Q coming through. slow hand Greg, his basket, oh hell yeah. The air gap deflector that I built, try to put handles on it, ain't gonna work. But the air gap diffuser is working awesome. I mean, the thing hold me. I mean, it keeps spiking up a little bit, but I should shut it right down. It's at 323 right now. I mean, come on. Best beef rib. Oh. Now the dogs got a treat. I mean, damn. Best beef ribs I've ever made. Ever. And, yeah. Cosmos Q, maybe. Greg's Baskets, maybe. I don't know. Royal Oak, maybe. Man, it all came together. Perfect harmony here. Beef ribs for the win. Oh, hell yeah. Happy Memorial Weekend. This has been insane. A lot of cooks going on, and it's been hot as hell. And you know, you saw me 2 weeks ago with snow. The never-ending winter. So, folks, go get yourself a cold one. Hydrate and embrace the warm weather and summer and just being outdoors. It's that time, especially with the crazy times we've been in. And I hope I look back on this video years from now and be like, what is he talking about? Hopefully. So anyway, guys, subscribe if it's your first time here. Comment down below, hit the thumbs up, and smash that dinner bell, because that's what time it is. Oh, hell yeah.